Valentine's week is around the corner, so today I'll share some easy and budget friendly handmade gift ideas for you all. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Dreamhouse Canva. For the first idea, I take this Shilpkar molded clay and blend it well. Take some talcum powder so it won't stick on your hands. Take a small portion of it and shaped it as a heart. Now take a pointed object and make a hole in one side. When it gets dry completely, we will paint it with red color. You can select any paint of your choice, like purple or pink. You can even write down your name initials on it. That's it. Your DIY necklace is ready and it holds special meaning because it's handmade. Also, it's budget friendly. It can be a perfect gift for your loved ones. For the next gift, I use some chocolates and some sticks, some small one and some big one. They are basically toothpick. Now I place them with hot glue gun on the pack. Once it's done, I'll take a foam piece and tuck all the chocolate sticks in this. Bigger one will be on back and small one will be on front row. Now take a purple A4 sheet and wrap around in this manner. Use cello tape to fix it. Now take butter paper and some colorful sheets and wrap it again. Tuck the leftover sticks along with the rose. Now take a satin ribbon and make a cute bow. That's it. A chocolate bouquet in just rupees 120 can be a very easy and special gift for anyone on any occasion. For the next DIY, I'll use the leftover clay. Make a stone shape of it. Now make a little heart and stick it on the stone. Use a card to make a cut in between. Once it gets dry, let's paint it. Here's a small paperweight with a card holder is ready. A meaningful reminder for the table of your loved ones. Next we will make a cute card with this paper. First cut a heart shape out of it. Stick a cute note in between and hold it like an envelope. This can be the most cute note to remind someone about you. Next, we will make a small card that you can use along with any gift. Cut out some paper heart and stick them on the front. Use black permanent markers to make a highlight. That's it, the super cute message card is ready to use. So today we have learned to make some easy and beautiful gifts in minimum budget. Let me know your queries and opinion in comment section. Also let me know if you are going to try them out. If you like the ideas, please do like and share the video. Also do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And the most important thing, don't forget to say Happy Valentine's Day to yourself.